Hello friends, thank you for clicking this video. And in this video, I'm gonna speak about the most important habit, reading books. Yes, we all are reading books because we want to improve our English. That is our main goal. But let me know one thing. Is it only one goal to improve our English? No, we can enhance our knowledge by reading books. So today I'll be speaking about getting knowledge from the books. And today I'll be speaking about only English books, whether I know you can get knowledge also by reading Hindi books. So well, first of all, let's talk about a little bit this thing, then we will discuss later. So what should we do to enhance our knowledge? I know we can have random words with people. If you want to speak with anyone, you can easily speak. But when it comes to speak on any topic, then you feel stuck or your mind goes blank because we do not have thoughts about it. Speaking English is not that if you are is I mean speaking English, you are talking to someone that you have knowledge of English. Speaking English is also about sharing and getting others thought, sharing your thoughts and getting other thoughts. Or if you are given a topic, you can easily speak. So in this video I'm going to speak about reading books. So there are many, cons, not cons, pros, sorry, pros or advantage of reading books. First of all, you can improve your knowledge, English fluency. That is, everyone knows about it. This is one of them. Second is that if you read books every day, if you keep reading books every day, you build a strong habit that encourages you read more. When you read more, so by reading more or by inculcating this habit, you can start having knowledge about different things. For example, if you like reading books, self-help books, you can read self-help book. So you can get knowledge from there, like how can we control our mind, how can we improve our personality, how can we change our thinking process. So first of all, read book, because you need to get knowledge as well as English fluency. Whenever you read anyone's book, any writer's book, so it is not only the accumulation of the words. It is not about collection of words. When you read a book, you experience all the things which are mentioned in that book. Because when you read a book, so you read that you read that author's life, that author's life's experience. He may have spent 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, and then he wrote that book. He has written that book. So now if you are reading that book, so it means you are experiencing 40 years experience of that that writer. So that is how you save 3 4 things. First of all, you save your time because you are getting that experience from that book. That person you are reading, okay, he has suffered, he has experienced all of that things. After that, he has shared with you. So you are getting experience from the book. Second thing, you are saving your time. Third thing is that whenever you read a book, you read different, you read the people's mindset, how they think, what they have done in their life. So that is how reading book helps you improve your English. It can help you improve your knowledge as well, and it can lead you towards a great life. So well, if first of all, try to find your genre, because I know this is very big thing to inculcate or to cultivate this habit of reading books. It's not a easy task, it's not a child's play. So first of all, try to find your genre. For example, if you like horror books, start reading horror books. If you like thrillers, start thrillers. If you like mystery, start mysteries. So start with your genre, and that is how you can first you once you develop this habit, you can easily start reading all types of book. Thank you. That's all from my side. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Take care.